Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of Vivo Z1 Pro. This is the latest smartphone by Vivo, and if we talk about this box, here you can see Club Open PUBG. So this is going to be a gaming smartphone. So quickly unbox it and open the box, and in top you can see the box and you can see the branding of Vivo. And here are some reading manuals and transparent TPU case. Just keep this aside. And here's the phone itself. And in top you can see Google Assistant, the smart button. Okay, we come to the phone later. Let's see what we get inside. If we see here, this is the SIM ejector tool over there. And this is the charger. And if we talk about the rating, okay, it has 5 volt 2 ampere or 9 volt 2 ampere, so it is fast charger. Okay, we also got earphone with this, which is a good thing. And this is the USB cable, USB to micro USB cable. Okay, now let's come to the phone. And if we come to the phone, just remove this plastic cover. So here's the phone itself. It looks great. It's made by polycarbonate material. You can see the gradient color. It looks really great. And if we talk about physical overview, in top we got nothing. In right we got volume rocker and power button. Bottom we got a speaker, micro USB port, main microphone and headphone jack. And on this side we got the smart switch. I'll talk about this later, and the SIM tray. Quickly eject it and see what we get inside it. Okay, so it has dual nano SIM card plus micro SD card slot, which is a good thing. If we talk about the front, we got the in-display 32 megapixel shooter, and on back we got the triple rear camera, which is 8 megapixel plus 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. Fingerprint sensor on back. So just quickly boot up and set this device. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set it up, I will give you the configuration overview of this device. Okay, it has a Snapdragon 712 octa-core processor. It comes with 6.53-inch Full HD plus IPS LCD full view display. It comes with 4GB, 64GB or 6 and 128GB internal storage variant. And if we talk about camera, it has triple rear camera, which has 16 megapixel f1.78 aperture, 8 megapixel with wide angle and 2 megapixel with depth sense. And if we talk about the SIM tray, it has dual nano SIM card slot with a dedicated micro SD card slot. And it has 32 megapixel front shooter. It is loaded with 5000 milliamp hour battery, which support fast charging. And out of the box we got Android Pie. And if we talk about security, we got fingerprint and face unlock for better security. Okay, so I have set up the device. You can see the UI of Vivo Z1 Pro. The display is looking great. And if we swipe from left, we got a smart launcher by Vivo. And if we swipe from top, we got the notification bar. And if we swipe from bottom, we got the shorter center. Many features and icons are available. So let's quickly go to settings and see how much storage we got out of 64 GB of RAM. Go in RAM and storage space, and here you can see it has 4 GB RAM, and out of 64 GB we got 51.66 GB available. It has many smart features available: smart motion, smart mirroring, smart split, one-handed S capture, app clone, and smart click. And if we talk about the OS, okay, here you can see we got the Android Pie, quite different. And if we talk about the Android security patch level, it is of 1.6/2019, and the software version is EXA 1.5.11. and if we talk about the FunTouch OS, it is running on OS 9. Okay, go back, and if we talk about camera quality, it has a triple rear camera. Just take a photo and see what we got. As you can see, the image quality is really good. Let's take another shot. It is in indoor light condition. You can see the camera quality is really good. The color don't fade. Let's take another photo with another object. As you can see, the color don't fade. The rendering of the color is really very good, and we don't lose the detail if out and zoom in. And if we talk about its settings, okay, in this we got the 4:3, 19:5:9, 16:9, and 1:1 photo size. It has touch, voice, and palm option, and you can see you can also store photo on SD card. Over there it has time watermark, model watermark, geographic location, AI portrait framing, AI scene identification. And if we talk about these options, here we have full view display and 1:1 display, and this is the wide angle camera. And if we talk about this is the 8 megapixel shooter, and this is the AI filters. Many filters are available. Here you can see this is the timer, and this is the image recognizer. Okay, this is identify image and shop. It is a really good feature available in this phone. And if we talk about the top, here we got the live photo option. In live photo feature, you can capture the live photo and share with your friends. This is the portrait light effect. This is to tap to turn on and off HDR. Over there flashlight is available. And if we swipe from right, we got video, fun video, AR stickers. And on this side we got AI beauty, night, pano, pro, and dock. Okay, let's quickly check its face unlock and fingerprint sensor. If we talk about fingerprint sensor, Here you can see it is really very fast, or you can see it is really very fast and responsive. And if we talk about face unlock, it is really very fast. Here you can see less than 0.2 seconds. Here you can see the face unlock is really very fast. In my opinion, this phone is mid-range killer. So guys, this is the unboxing and quick review of Vivo Z1 Pro. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.